And if y'all have not figured out yet, I am about to go on a 2-day work trip tomorrow, Tuesday, January, I think it's 8th. And we are going for a work training. And if y'all comment below, you could see if y'all could like guess where I'm going and stuff. But it's supposed to be 60 degrees tomorrow and then 41 degrees on Wednesday. And I come back late Wednesday night. And I'm actually really excited to go, but I'm also like super nervous because I've never been on a work trip before. So I just wanted to show, I guess, some stuff that I'm packing, because typically I usually take a suitcase, but since it's just a 2-day work trip, we're taking our Aligned duffel bag. So first, comment down below if y'all know where I'm going, and I'll probably tell y'all tomorrow, because I have to get picked up at like 6:15 a.m. We're heading to the Baltimore airport. And yeah, so I'll probably secretly attempt to video log what I can. But I'm going to show y'all what's I'm going to fit in that really small bag that y'all just saw at the end. So this is the bag we are taking, and it's going to be in my carry-on and my suitcase. So since this is business casual, I chose two business outfits, and I will actually be dressed in them on the plane there, and another one the next day coming back. And you'll probably see that in the video log, like when I'm getting ready for the days or something, or tomorrow. And then I have my toiletry bag, which has basic necessities like my hairbrush, toothbrush, toothpaste, medicine if needed, chapstick, makeup if I decide to wear it, and just simple stuff like that, just stuff I get ready. And then I have my pajamas, which is a cowboy short and some like little sweats kind of thing. And I'm bringing a pair of jeans as backup, black jeans that don't really look like jeans. And then I have my coat, which is a Columbia furry sweater that I have been wearing constantly since I got it for Christmas. I love it. Thank you, Aunt Barb, who got it for me. And for recreational, I have my Archie Jumbo comics because I'm addicted to Archie comics. And I have my agenda. And I've been working on a bullet journal. If y'all have never heard of it, it's kind of like a journal that you create yourself. It has your agenda in it, like a savings log, notes, movies you want to watch, all that junk. I could do a video on that too. It's my first time doing it, and I've done this homemade. I've drawn everything in it, and I've just been loving it since I've started. And then I also have my electronics, like my laptop to do some video editing on the plane, my 2 terabytes, charger, iPod. Everything is not out right now. This is just like the main stuff I collected so far, and I'll probably get a few more snacks. Heading to snacks, so far I have some Swedish fish, 2 packs of gum, and a thing of pull and peel Twizzlers because they didn't have the regular Twizzlers at the store. So this is my 2-day trip packing, and don't forget, if y'all can guess where I'm going, just comment below and I will check tomorrow. And I will see y'all tomorrow when I start waking up at 6:15 to head to the airport.